Hi viewers, I'm here with my brother Caleb today, and today, well, I'll explain first. So I've got a Traxxas Stampede, and we wanted to find a way that we could put my GoPro on it. So, boom, that's what we did. Well, yeah. So we're gonna do some ripping around with that today. See how it works. Okay, enjoy. What we're going to do is we're going to go to the end of the road there, and we are going to have a little race. Okay. So what's going to happen is I'm going to stand right over here, okay, and Caleb's going to go down there. I'm going to be the first driver. It's going to be timed. He's going to be timing it, and then he'll go next. So yeah. My turn.
No, it's mine.
Or sorry, it's Caleb's turn. So evidently I won. Thank you guys for watching the video. I won, but anyways, that's besides the point, just if you didn't catch it. But anyways, yeah, thanks, and I hope you enjoyed it. Keep watching.